All right, we're going to do a little comparison video tonight. We have Super Magnum by World Class Fireworks. Everybody knows what these are. These are probably one of the best ball shells made. Really good breaks, good quality. And the other one we'll be shooting tonight is a Chasing Tail artillery shell by Big Fireworks. These are also very good quality ball shells. We're going to do a comparison of some of the shots in these. The thing about both of these boxes, they're not labeled to what kind of break style they are, so they are all colored shells, all of them. They have different colors, but you really don't know what the effect is. So we'll go ahead and shoot several of each and tell me what you think and which one do you think is better.